Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. I've been riding around for 10 minutes talking to a camera that was turned off. Don't you love it when that happens? It's okay. Trust me, you didn't miss much. Yeah, I'm just riding the Ansky. Trying to finish off the battery here because it's still got some battery. I'm trying to run it completely down so we can charge it up to full. Do a recycle on it because it was fluctuating a little bit the other day and I just want to cycle it. See what happens before we do our full review. So I've been riding around here right in front of the house talking to you about all kinds of nonsense because I really didn't have a whole lot to say. And then my camera starts chirping at me to let me know it was powering down. It's because I never hit the play button. Well, there's Tom motioning me to come on down. Let's go see what he wants. Oh, we got traffic in both directions. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, it's still soupy over there.
Yeah, still trying to run this stupid thing down. Oh my goodness, what is going on here, Ansky? This bike wants to... I should have checked the mileage. This thing will go a long ways on a no battery. Go a long way on no battery. Ah. Come on. Die. No one wants their battery to die. No one wants to get caught on the road with a dead battery. No one likes to experience range anxiety. I always suggest people, when you get a new bike, do a range test. Do a range test based on your riding conditions, you know, body weight, and how you like to ride, and all that stuff. So you know just how far you can go. And that eliminates a lot of that range anxiety. If you know what your bike is capable of based on how you like to ride it, then you know, right? Everybody's waving this morning. It's a friendly neighborhood. I tell you what, the friendliest neighborhood we've ever lived in. We moved around a lot being in the military, but yeah, this is the friendliest neighborhood. Anyway, yeah, back to range anxiety. Do it, do it, do it. If you don't have it. I don't do it on all these bikes because that's just a lot of mileage and oh my goodness. Some of these bikes are bad and I don't want to ride them very much. Much less ride it for a half a day to do a range test or something. But come on, bike. Die. Should put it up on stands and duct tape up the throttle or something. Leave it sit wide open for a while. That would take longer though. Free spinning the tire. And dangerous. Something could happen. And this thing is still giving us 9 miles an hour. Seven and a half. Going downhill here a little bit. I go up a little bit of a hill here. There's my neighbor out in her pajamas. You guys see that? Oh, she's turning. She's coming out. We'll go this way so we don't get ran over. Where's she going in her pajamas, I wonder? Come on. Stupid bike. I'm gonna have to put a man down this for a while. This might take a lot longer than I thought. We're down to 6. 6.1. Oh, we got to be getting close now. Right? Nope. Now we're up to 7. It's still trying to give us something here. It's still trying. Come on, you stupid thing. I got other things to be doing than sitting here trying to run the battery down. 7 miles an hour. It doesn't even feel like 7. It might be. Ah. 6, 5.9, 6, 5.8. Seven, 6.5. Oh, 5.5, 5.3, 5.1, 5.2. We getting somewhere finally? Yeah. 5.5, 5.4, 5.2, 5.2, 5.5. Oh, come on. Die, you stupid thing. So, but this is a bit unusual. Trash guy is coming early today. They must have changed up their routes. Because typically, they come late in the afternoon, twice a week. But it's always later in the afternoon. But, oh my goodness, it's not even 9 o'clock yet. So I'm glad I got my trash out early this morning. Because a lot of times I'll wait, put the trash out midday or something. If I go somewhere in the morning, I don't worry about it. I just put it out when I get home because they always come in the afternoon. But no, looks like they changed things up. Okay, we're at 4.3. Get over here on the sidewalk. Oh, it's not going to do it. 3.8. Went back up to 4.9, 5.0. Trying to kill it. I wonder if it has to be completely dead. Do you guys know? I always heard it's bad to make them go completely dead. Yeah, I don't know. There we go. We're about there. We'll call it good. Morning, Mander. Alright. Yeah, this thing doesn't have anything left in it. Still flashing. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Dumb little riding video back and forth trying to kill this battery. See you in a more exciting video here soon. Take care, ride safe.